Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find and share your Discord profile link. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up Discord. You'd be on your mobile device or PC. Now, click on Settings. Now, go ahead and go to the left panel, scroll all the way down and find Developer section, okay, besides Logout. So just click on it and enable Developer Mode. And then after that, close this one, okay? Now, once done, click on your profile. And then here we now have a copy user ID button. So just click on it. And after that, open up your favorite browser. And all you got to do is just type down https://discordapp.com/users/paste the copied user ID. And then once that's done, save it wherever you want. And when you go ahead and open up this specific link, it will redirect you to your profile. But first, you need to make sure that you're logged in. All right. Now that is it. That's how simple it is to find and share your Discord profile link. Now this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.